All right. Up here at East Canyon, just decided to go take a quick little spin just around the little bay here off the ramp. Picked up a couple fish already. 12, 13-inch planters. Yeah, about like the last one. Nice and feisty too. Not bad fish, a little bit better than the other one. That one's probably about 14. It feels a little better. But I always say that and end up being about the same size. Now a little better fish got doubled up, Dave. Yeah. Oop, I lost it. That's a little bit smaller, but I'll keep it. I think, what's the limit for? What? Good night. That thing was straight up. That's why they call them slimers, dude. That thing was a straight sliming me. There we go. I think I doubled up again. Man, they're thick over here. Nice. Woo! Well, the fishing has been hot up here at East Canyon. It has been hot, doubling, and they're all about the same, 13 to 15 inches, a couple of later 9 inches, but seems like everyone that I'm watching on the boats or whatever catching a bunch of fish as well, so really good day to fish. Yeah, net him, Dave. I'll come over to you. Yeah, I watched him jump behind you. Okay, we'll come grab him. Whoa, just got a good one. Man, they all jump, don't they? Now we got the wind coming back the other way. Come on. Getting bumped here on the left. Oh, got him on the right. Doubled up. These guys are just launching back here. That one's fat. Oop, lost one. Yeah, let's come park right there, Dave. Got him. Oh man, look at him just go. He always jump 2-3 times off the first hit. Oh. Oop, just missed one. Yeah, I just got missed too. Got him. Yeah, if he's any better, just keep it. See him down there, see if we can get one to follow it up. I don't know if you can see that down there. Oh, see it just disappear? Dude, that was 3 times he launched. 4 times. Yeah, these last few I've caught over here have been, I've just, he's about the same, but that's a little better one, Dave. Got him. Oh, little guy.
Let him go?
Oh, I just hooked one. I just hooked a little guy. getting tapped. Getting tapped again. Got him. Ooh. Yep, they're just short and stout today. See if I can catch one more before I get to shore here. It's getting tapped again. Got him. All right, waiting for Dave to come in. Give a shot from shore here. There we go. Beautiful little rainbow. Look at that color on that guy. Just stunning. Oh, broke me off. Get on there. No. Oh, we spit it. Okay, we're good. Thanks, buddy. Thought you took my best lure of the day. Getting hit already. What do you have on? Those soft plastics. Yeah, that's what that last one was on. Ooh, getting hit again, dude. They're loving these soft plastics, Sherm. I think they're just telling it though. Because I keep getting hit, but they're just telling it. Oh! They're freaking killing it. I mean, I've gotten hit 6 times, just can't set the hook. Alright, we're going to start working our way back. I think we're both at about 30 fish, 25, 30 fish for the day each. So we'll see how we're doing going back. They're still way active, way aggressive. There we go, right there. Jumping like crazy too. Whoa, launched. That was beautiful. On our way back, got a heck of a wind pushing us from behind, so moving pretty good clip here, just 2 miles an hour right here, just from the wind, which is nice, but it's almost just a little too fast. But the fishing has been phenomenal today. Oh, there we go. Just got a good hit here. Should have been on it. Could have had him. Dude. Whew. Got one. Pretty decent one. Well, we're going to call it a day. Feels like we're fighting the ocean swells right now. You can see pretty good white caps. Pretty much everyone on the boat's off the water, so we're just back at the ramp. Gonna call it a day. Me and Dave's had a blast. Good day to be out with your brother and have a good time. It's a pretty good little wave right there. Here we go, almost back. I'm riding the surf in, baby. Come grab the front of me, big baby Dave.
What?
Grab that front. That's good right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that got a little ugly, huh?